Start. The present petition was filed on 21 August 2019 before this adjudicating authority. The total amount claimed in default of 18 lakh 24% per month from the date of default being the date on which the last invoice. The first default occurred in 6 July 2013. It is submitted in the petition part 2nd that the authorized share capital of the corporate debtor is 1 lakh with paid up capital of rupees 28 lakh. The operational creditor has been carrying on the business of supplying iron and steel and also end products of iron and steel being hot rolled steel plates within bracket alloy based on the verbal order issued by the corporate debtor. The operational creditor used to supply goods to the corporate debtor. After successful supply of goods, the operational creditor raised invoices. The corporate debtor initially carried on business under the name and style of Ramakrishna Engineering, a proprietorship concern, and YD a deed of takeover dated 3rd April 2014. And in terms of Class 1 of the said agreement, all the liabilities and assets of erstwhile Ramakrishna Engineering was assigned and transferred to the corporate debtor is that Ramakrishna Engineering Private Limited. The operational creditor on several occasions requested the corporate debtor to pay the dues. The corporate debtor, by way of an email dated 24 May 2016, acknowledged the balance confirmation and re-acknowledged the same on 3rd June 2016 via an email. The corporate debtor has made a few payments to the amounts of the sister concern of the operational creditor. Lastly, on 25 June 2019, of an amount of rupees 2 lakh in spite of various verbal reminders to repay the sum due. The corporate debtor failed to honor the same. The operational creditor issued a demand notice dated 4th April 2019 under Section 8 of the Code to the corporate debtor. The said notice was sent by speed post and the same had not returned, following which the operational creditor issued the said notice by way of email dated 24 June 2019 to the official email ID of the corporate debtor. The corporate debtor only received the email dated 24 June 2019. It contains that the delivery of a demand notice under Section 8 of the Code is the condition precedent of initiating proceedings under the Code and not the mere issuance thereof. The corporate debtor denies that there has been any default of any amount of rupees 18 lakh or any part thereof as claimed in the present application. It is also denies supplies made as alleged by the applicant has been utilized by the corporate debtor and states that the corporate debtor has never acted on the basis of verbal orders. The corporate debtor disputes the existence of authenticity of the balance confirmation statement dated 24/5/2016 and 3rd June 2016 and states that the sign and seal of the corporate debtor as appearing on such balance confirmation is not that of the corporate debtor. It states that even if it assumes that the balance confirmation statement is a genuine document, since the demand notice was issued and delivery on the corporate debtor on 24 June 2019. The claim of the applicant is ex facie barred by laws of limitation as it exceeds 3 years from the date of acknowledgement of liability is that 3 June 2016 and hence on this ground alone, the present application deserves to be rejected.